Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Saramonic Air SE, small but mighty, is ridiculously small and impossibly light, weighing just 5 grams and no larger than your thumb. It remains completely inconspicuous when clipped on. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manuals. More manuals. I like the shape. Lovely bag, Saramonic, all your accessories inside. And of course we have the cable. You need to charge this device, type A to type C, the length it is 25 centimeters. Magnetic clip, 2, fur windshield, very soft, USB-C receiver, the connector, we have the noise reduction button here, it is very small, indicators, left and right, and here we have the lighting receiver, the connection, again the noise reduction button, the TX1 and TX2 status indicators, left and right. You can store its magnetic attachment, the Type-C, just love it, so easy, very comfortable to use. The USB charging port here, the indicator for charging, remaining battery level indicator, and of course left and right we have the transmitter. Magnetic attachment, wow, so strong magnets, just love it. Amazing. 2 devices. We have the power button. Same devices, power button here. We have the inbuilt condenser microphone. The status indicator here. The transmitter lasts for about 6 hours on a single charge. With a charging bar, you can record while charging for up to 24 hours of total runtime, making it ideal for long street interviews or vlogs. I like the logo here at the device. Definitely very small and portable. Remove the 2 protective films and reveal the 2 metal contacts on the both transmitters. Perfect. And we can see on the magnet. You can use it, of course, with a magnet. Let's say you want to install it here. Wow, that is a very strong magnet. Amazing. And it is very thick, my clothes. Wonderful. And there it is, the indicator. It will start charging. Type-C connection. You can use a power bank or a 5 volt 2 amps power adapter. Let's use the power bank. We can see red light at both devices, the transmitters, it's charging. And the green light is flashing here. That means it's charging. Disconnect, connect, blue light, ready to connect. There it is, blue light is flashing. And of course you can use the fur windshield. I can see the light is flashing. Looks amazing. Very strong magnet. Wow. Or you can use this metal clip. Here. Wherever you want. The magnet is very strong. Just love how it looks. Okay, nice. So to start the pairing process, you need the app, Saramonic app, and I will use obviously the Type-C connector. I don't need the lighting right now. Plug in that here. Perfect. We can see 2. Okay. Allow Saramonic to access. Okay, perfect. Access. Are flashing blue lights. Both. Permission request. Open. We can see both are connected. Let's remove this device. Output gain, you can adjust for 1 to 6. 4. Channel, mono or stereo. ANC strong, weak or off. We can see the TX1, the battery capacity, and for the TX2, TX Lite it is on. On again, we can see the 2 blue lights, off, on. And the speaker. Change phone speaker settings, just to confirm your device will restart if the speaker mode is enabled or disabled. Okay. More. Firmware upgrade, let's do that. Upgrade now. Lovely. I love when we have a firmware update. And it's done. Everything is connected. High boost, bass boost, enhance, low cut 150 Hz, 75, original. So let's give it a try. Start recording. Obviously the most important it is the sound quality. Let's go back. Again, device management. And that is the best settings for me. On stereo, high boost for both. And of course you can mute this microphone. We can see in here is flashing. Or this microphone. Which microphone you want to use. It is your choice. ANC again. Strong. Weak is flashing green. And off. So easy. So let's use this microphone and record. Going back, audio, ready. The other microphone is off, we can see. The charging bar is a masterpiece of modular design, boasting clean industrial aesthetics and a flawless magnetic fit, about the size of a lighter. It magnetically holds 2 microphones and a receiver, meaning that everything you need can fit in your pocket. Each module snaps in and out with precision-engineered tolerances and smooth action. It's incredibly satisfying. And pause. And of course, here you can see all your files. And play the last. The charging bar is a masterpiece of modular design, boasting clean industrial aesthetics and a flawless magnetic fit. It's incredibly satisfying. Powered by Saramonic's first true AI chip, the Air SE delivers exceptional noise cancellation performance, eliminating up to 40 decibel of background noise, unlike traditional ENC, which only handles sturdy ambient sounds. The Air algorithm has been trained on over 700,000 noisy samples across more than 20,000 hours. This enables it to identify and separate voices from complex or sudden noise in real time and remove it accurately and adaptively. Select the light or strong mode to effortlessly filter out street traffic, wind, the sudden barking of a dog, and other distracting sound, leaving only clear, natural vocals. I really like how easy it is to set up, how stable the wireless connection is, and how clear the audio quality is in a different environments. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on the latest audio gear, camera accessories, and creator tools. Thanks for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.